Hi guys, good day, it's me, Teacher MJ. Our topic for today class, it's all about the English system to English system conversion. So without further ado, let's do this topic. Now for the English system class, we have the unit length, the unit weight, and the unit capacity. In today's video class, I will give you 4 examples for each unit for you to really understand this one. So let's start with the unit length. So this will be the following conversions for the unit length. We have 1 foot is equal to 12 inches, 1 yard is equal to 3 feet, 1 yard is equal to 36 inches, and then 1 mile is equal to 5,280 feet. So let's start with letter A, convert 6 feet to inches. So do we have feet to inches conversion? Yup. 1 foot is equal to 12 inches. So therefore, class, we will be using this conversion. So first thing to do, class, you copy first the given 6 feet. So copy 6 feet. And then you put parentheses, class, because we need to convert this one using a unit fraction. So copy the given and then you put parentheses. And then you put fractional bar. Now, if our given unit, class, is feet, the unit on the denominator must be also feet. Question, why is that, sir? So that we can cancel out the unit. So if our given is feet, the unit on the denominator must be also feet so that we can cancel out this unit. And then we convert feet into inches. So the unit on the numerator must be inches. So we convert feet into inches. Cancel feet. And do not forget the conversion. 1 foot is equal to 12 inches. Once again, class, be careful, class, in writing the conversion. 1 foot is equal to 12 inches. So therefore, there would be 1 foot, and then 12 inches. And then equals, so you multiply this one. So you can put over 1 there for our given. Understood, class, any number, there is a denominator of 1. You can put over 1, that's okay. And then simply multiply the numerators and then multiply the denominators. So 6 times 12, that would be 72. Do not forget the units, inches. So copy, inches. So 6 times 12, 72, and then copy the units, inches. Divide, 1 times 1 is 1. So 72 inches divided by 1, the answer is 72. Copy the units, inches. That's it, class. That's the answer for letter A. Easy, right, for letter A? So that's the thing, class, that you will do. Alright, so let's have letter B. Convert 4.5 yards to inches. So do we have yards to inches conversion? Yup. 1 yard is equivalent to 36 inches. So therefore, class, we will be using this conversion. 1 yard is equal to 36 inches. So copy the given 4.5 yards. And then you put parentheses. You put fractional bar. Once again, if our given unit is yards, the unit on the denominator must be also yards. And then we convert yards into inches. So this will be inches on the numerator. Yards, and then the units on the denominator must be also yards so that we can cancel out the units. And then our conversion, 1 yard is equals to 36 inches. Once again, class, be careful in writing the conversion. 1 yard is equal to 36 inches. So therefore, 1 yard, so this is yard, so 1 yard is equal to 36 inches. Alright, and then we can put over 1 here for us to be guided. Once again, class, you can put over 1. Understood that any number, there is a denominator of 1. And then simply multiply, class. So you can use your calculator. 4.5 times 36. 4.5 times 36. The answer is 162. And then do not forget to copy the units, inches. Over 1 times 1, that is 1. And then 162 divided by 1, the answer is 162. Do not forget the units, inches. That's it, class. That's the answer for letter B. All set for letter B. Alright, so letter C. Convert 90 inches to yards. So do we have inches to yards? Yup. We have yards to inches. 1 yard is equal to 36 inches. So therefore, we'll be using this conversion. So copy the given 90 inches. So 90, then inches, you put parentheses. Once again, class, if our units is inches, the unit on the denominator must be also inches so that we can cancel out the units. And then we convert inches into yards. Alright, and then cancel out the units. And once again, class, do not forget the conversion. 1 yard is equal to 36 inches. 1 yard. So therefore, this is yard. So this will be 1 yard is equal to 36 inches. Once again, class, be careful in writing the conversion. 1 yard is equals to 36 inches, and our unit on the numerator is yard, so therefore it should be 1 over 36. 1 yard is equals to 36. And then you put over 1 here for our numerator. Understood that there's 1 here. Simply multiply the numerators and then multiply the denominators. So 90 times 1, so that would be 90. Copy the units, yard. And then 1 times 36, that would be 36. And then simply divide. So use your calculator, class. 90 divide 36. The answer is 2.5. And do not forget the units, yards. That's it, class. All set for example number 3. 2.5 yards. Alright, so let's proceed now to letter D. Convert 2.5 miles to inches. Alright, so letter D. So convert 2.5 miles to inches. So do we have miles to inches? Nope. We don't have miles to inches directly. Therefore, we need to convert miles to feet and then feet to inches. Once again, class, we don't have the conversion miles to inches directly. We only have miles to feet. So therefore, we convert miles to feet and then feet to inches. Alright, so let's try that. Letter D. So copy the given 2.5 miles. Once again, class, we convert first miles to feet and then feet to inches. So you put parentheses. Alright, so if this is miles, the unit on the denominator must be also miles so that we can cancel out the units. And then we convert miles to feet first. And then this will be feet. And then 1 mile is equal to 5,280 feet. 1 mile is equal to 5,280 feet. And then we convert feet into inches. So therefore, class, we need to add another parenthesis. We convert feet into inches. Put another parenthesis. Alright, so once again, cancel out these units. We convert mile to feet. Miles for our given, mile on the denominator, so cancel out the units. And then we convert feet into inches. So if this is feet, the unit on the denominator for our second parenthesis, it should be also feet. And then this will be inches. And then 1 foot is equal to 12 inches. Alright, and then cancel feet. Cancel this out. And then we can put over 1 here for our given. And then simply multiply the numerators. And then multiply the denominator. So 2.5. Alright, so let's try this one. 2.5 times 5,280 feet times 12. So the answer is 158,400. Do not forget the units, inches. And then 1 times 1 times 1, that is 1. So 158,400 inches divided by 1, the answer is 158,400 inches. That's it, class. All set. That's the answer for letter D, class. Alright, so let's have example for the unit weight. Once again, 4 examples for the unit weight. Alright, so let's do that. Alright, so let's proceed now to the unit weight. So our conversion, we have given 1 pound is equivalent to 16 ounces, and then 1 ton is equivalent to 2,000 pounds. So letter A, convert 10 pounds to ounces. So do we have pounds to ounces? Yup. 1 pound is equivalent to 16 ounces. So we will be using this conversion. So once again, copy first the given. We have 10 pounds. So you can put LB. That would be the abbreviation for pounds. So 10 pounds, you put parentheses. If this is pounds for our given, the unit on the denominator must be also pounds. So that we can cancel out the units and then we convert pounds to ounces. And the abbreviation of ounces, that would be OZ. Alright, and then 1 pound is equivalent to 16 ounces. So 1 pound is equivalent to 16 ounces. Alright, and then we can put over 1 here for our given. So understood that there's 1 here. And then cancel out the units, cancel pounds. And then simply multiply 10 times 16. That would be 160. And then do not forget the units, ounces. Alright, and then 1 times 1 is 1. So 160 divided by 1, the answer is 160. Do not forget the units, ounces. So therefore, 10 pounds is equivalent to 160 ounces. That's it, class. That's the answer for letter A. Easy, right, for letter A? Alright, so let's have letter B. Convert 3.5 tons to pounds. So do we have tons to pounds? Yup. 1 ton is equivalent to 2,000 pounds. Alright, so let's do that. Letter B, convert 3.5 tons to pounds. Alright, so copy the given 3.5 tons. So actually, class, for tons, you can just simply write T. The abbreviation for ton, that is T. So we can just simply write T, 3.5 tons, and then we put parentheses. If this is ton for our unit, the unit on the denominator must be also ton, so that we can cancel out the units. And then we convert tons into pounds. So this will be LB for our pounds. Alright, and the conversion, 1 ton is equivalent to 2,000 pounds. So 1 ton is equivalent to 2,000 pounds. Alright, and then we can simply cancel out the units, tons. And then we can put over 1 here for our numerator for the given 3.5 over 1. That's the same with 3.5. And then simply multiply the numerators. Alright, so use your calculator. 3.5 times 2,000. The answer is 7,000. Do not forget the units, pounds. Alright, 7,000 pounds. We don't have enough space. Let me just write it again. Equals 7,000 pounds. Alright, and then 1 times 1, that is 1. So 7,000 divided by 1, the answer is 7,000. Do not forget the units, pounds. That's it, class. That's the answer for letter B. Easy, right, for letter B? Alright, so let's try letter C. Convert 104 ounces to pounds. So once again, do we have ounces to pounds? Yup, we have 16 ounces is equivalent to 1 pound. Alright, so we will be using this one. Alright, so copy first the given 104 ounces. So we can put OZ for the units. Alright, so if this is ounces, the units on the denominator must be also ounces, so that we can cancel out the units. And then we convert it into pounds. That would be LP. Cancel out the units. So once again, class, be careful in writing the conversion. 1 pound is equivalent to 16 ounces. So it should be 1 pound. So pound is on the numerator. So pound, 1 pound is equivalent to 16 ounces. Alright, and then we can cancel out the units. Yep, cancel out the units. We can put over 1 here for our given. And then simply multiply. So 104 times 1, that would be 104. Copy the units, pounds. Over 1 times 16, that would be 16. And then simply divide 104 divided by 16. So 104 divide 16. The answer is 6.5. Do not forget the units, pounds. That's it, class. That's the answer for letter C. Easy, right? For this one. So let's have letter D. Convert 2.5 tons to ounces. So do we have tons to ounces directly? Nope, we don't have conversion of ton to ounces. Therefore, we need to convert ton to pounds and then pounds to ounces. Alright, let's do that. So once again, class, we don't have the conversion, the direct conversion with regards to ton to ounces. Therefore, we convert tons to pounds and then pounds to ounces. Alright, let's do that. So copy first the given 2.5 ton. We put parentheses. If this is ton, the unit on the denominator must be also ton. And then we convert ton to pounds first. This will be LB. So therefore, 1 ton is equivalent to 2,000 pounds. So 1 ton is equivalent to 2,000 pounds. And then we put another parenthesis, class, because we need to convert pounds to ounces. So once again, we can cancel out the units, tons and then tons. We put another parenthesis because we need to convert pounds to ounces. So put another parenthesis. This is pounds for the units on the denominator so that we can cancel this out. And then we convert pounds into ounces. So this will be OZ. So cancel out the units. And 1 pound is equivalent to 16 ounces. Alright, and then we can put over 1 here for our given numerator, 2.5. So it will be 2.5 over 1. That's okay. That's the same, class. 2.5 over 1 is just the same with 2.5. So it's okay, class, to put over 1. And then simply multiply the numerators. So 2.5 times 2,000 times 16. So the answer is 80,000. Alright. Ounces. Do not forget the units, ounces. Over 1 times 1 times 1, that is 1. So 80,000 divided by 1, the answer is 80,000. ounces. That's it, class. All set for letter D. Alright, so let's have the last example, class, the unit capacity. And I will give you 4 examples again, class, for the unit capacity. Alright, so let's proceed now for the unit capacity. So our conversion, class, we have 1 cup is equals to 8 fluid ounces, and then 1 pint is equivalent to 2 cups. 1 quart is equivalent to 2 pints, and then 1 gallon is equivalent to 4 quarts. So letter A, convert 48 fluid ounces to cups. So do we have fluid ounces to cups? We have the conversion. Yep. We have 1 cup is equivalent to 8 fluid ounces. So therefore, class, we will be using this conversion. So copy the given. There would be 48 fluid ounces. We can write that one FLOZ. So this will be the abbreviation, class, for the fluid ounces, FLOZ. Now, once again, you put parentheses and our units on the denominator. Class, if our given is fluid ounces, the unit on the denominator must be also fluid ounces. And then we convert that into cups. So this will be C on the numerator. That will be cups. So once again, class, if this is fluid ounces on the units of our given, the unit on the denominator must be fluid ounces so that we can cancel out the units. And then the conversion, 1 cup is equivalent to 8 fluid ounces. So 1 cup is equivalent to 8 fluid ounces. And then we can put over 1 from our given. So simply multiply the numerators, 48 times 1. That would be 48. And then copy the units, cups. Over 1 times 8, that is 8. And then divide 48 divided by 8. The answer is 6. And do not forget the units, cups. So therefore, class, the answer is 6 cups. That's the answer, class, for letter A. Easy, right? For letter A. Alright, so let's proceed now to letter B. Convert 10 pints to cups. Alright, so do we have the conversion? 10 pints or pints to cups? Yup. We have 1 pint is equivalent to 2 cups. So we will be using this conversion. Alright, so once again, our given is 10 pints. So we can put PT for pints. The abbreviation, class, of pints, that would be PT. And then you put parentheses. You put fractional bar. If this is pints for our given, the unit on the denominator must be also pints so that we can cancel out the units. And then we convert that into cups. Alright, and the equivalent, there will be 1 pint is equal to 2 cups. So 1 pint is equal to 2 cups. And then we can cancel out the units. And we can put over 1 from our given. So 10 times 2, that is 20. Do not forget the units, cups. Over 1 times 1, that is 1. So 20 divided by 1, the answer is 20. Do not forget the units, cups. That's it, class. That is the answer for letter B. Easy, right? For letter B. Alright, so let's try letter C. And then you try letter D, class, and you put your answer in the comment section down below. How about if you're going to convert gallons to pints? So you try letter D, class, and you put your answer in the comment section down below. Let me check, class, if you really understand our topic. So you convert 18 gallons to pints. Alright, so let's have letter C. 80 cups convert to quarts. So do we have cups to quarts in our conversion? Nope, we don't have cups to quarts directly. We have cups to pints and then pints to quarts. So therefore, class, we don't have the conversion cups to quarts directly. So therefore, we need to convert cups to pints and then pints to quarts. Alright, let's do that. So once again, our given is 80 cups. So 80 cups. This is cup for our given. The units in the denominator must be also cup so that we can cancel this out. And then we convert cups to pint first because we don't have the conversion cups to quarts directly. We only have cups to pints and then pints to quarts. So therefore, we convert cups into pints. So cups and then pint here on the numerator units. And then we cancel out the units. So the conversion, 1 pint is equivalent to 2 cups. So once again, class, be careful in the conversion, class. 1 pint is equivalent to 2 cups. So 1 pint is equivalent to 2 cups. And then we put another parenthesis because we need to convert pint into quarts. Alright, so if this is pint, for the units of the numerator, the units on the denominator must be also pint so that we can cancel out the units. and then we convert pint into quarts. Alright, and then the conversion, that is 1 quart is equals to 2 pints. So 1 quart is equal to 2 pints. Alright, and then cancel out the units, and we can put over 1 here for our given. Once again, class, I hope you're not confused, class. 80 cups to quarts, we don't have the conversion from cups to quarts directly. We only have cups to fluid ounces, we have cups to pints. So therefore, we need to convert cups to pints, and then pints to quarts. So cups to pints, and then pints to quarts. So cancel cups, and then cancel pint. And then multiply the numerator, 80 times 1 times 1, that is 80. Do not forget the units, quarts. Over 1 times 2 is 2, times 2, that is 4. Alright, and then 80 divided by 4, the answer is 20. And do not forget the units, quarts. Therefore, 80 cups is equivalent to 20 quarts. That's it, class. That's the answer, class, for letter C. Alright, so once again, class, you try letter D, and you put your answer in the comment section down below. Let me check, class, if you really understand our topic. So once again, class, I hope you learned something new today. If you like this video, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe. You share it to your friends and to your classmates so that we can help more students. Once again, this is Teacher MJ. Have a great day, class. Goodbye for now. Bye-bye.